Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you the second part of the wreath, that is the construction of the wreath and how to create beautiful leaves to decorate it. Isn't it looking super gorgeous? I'm just loving this outcome. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. For this we need 10 mm strip, silicone glue, liquid glue, tweezer, quilling tool, green color paper, mount board or cardboard, 12 by 12 inch pattern paper, scissor and different shades of 3 mm green color strips. I have used these strips from Quilling Hub by Moksha and they have variety of different colors and different sizes, and all the colors are super attractive and super vibrant. So I'm starting with my first leaf design. For this I am taking half strip of light green and 1/4 strip of dark green and making one leaf shape. If you want to purchase these strips, I have given link in description box. You can contact them. Now I am taking this 1/8 strip of dark green, just folding it from center. Add little glue and it will work like a stem for our leaf. So just add glue on the tip, connect 2 leaves first and then adding 1 leaf in the center. In the same way I have created total 10 leaves. Now I am starting with the scroll. For this I am taking 2 1/4 strip of dark green and 2 1/4 strip of light green. Just gather them all together, fold it from center, take your tweezer and start rolling it in one direction. Like this. Now I'm just pulling each strip little bit and then I will cut the excess strip and secure it using the glue. And the beautiful scroll is ready. In the same way I have created these scrolls. Now I'm proceeding to the second kind of leaf. For this I am taking sap green color strip. Just create 6 loops in increasing order first. Then I am making 2 loops on left and right sides in little decreasing order. Then wrap the petal using remaining strip. And this is done. And also I have created the scrolls just like before. Now I'm starting with the third leaf. For this I am taking half strip of light mint color and 1/4 strip of parrot green and creating a Malaysian flower petal. Wrapping this petal using parrot green strip. In the same way we need total 3 petals, and now taking one small strip of parrot green and adding these petals around this. So I have created total 10 leaves and also created the scrolls using the same color combination. Now I am starting with my fourth leaf like this. For this I am taking 1 strip of dark mint green and 1/4 strip of dark olive color and creating a tight leaf shape. Now just adding 3 petals with the strip and your leaf is ready. Super easy. And using the same color combination, I have created these scrolls. Now I am starting with the fifth leaf like this. For this I am taking 1/3 strip of sap green color and 1/4 strip of dark sap green color and making one bended teardrop shape. So that will be the small petal. We need 2, and for the bigger petal I am taking half strip of sap green and 1/4 strip of dark sap green and making one bended teardrop. So we need 2 these type of shapes, and for this teardrop I have used 1/3 strip of sap green and 1/4 strip of dark sap green. Now I am taking one small strip of dark sap green and adding my petals with this. And the leaf is ready. And also I have created these scrolls using same colors. Now I am proceeding to the last leaf, that is sixth one. For this I am taking 1/3 strip of light green and 1/4 strip of dark green and making one bended leaf shape. We need 2, and for the next I am taking half strip of light green and 1/4 strip of dark green and making again a bended leaf shape. So we need 2 these type of leaves. And for this smaller one I have used 1/3 strip of light green and 1/4 strip of dark green and created one leaf shape. Now I am taking one small strip of dark green and connecting my petals with this. Like this. And also I have created the scrolls matching with the leaves. So all my flowers and leaves are ready. My beautiful quilling platter tray is looking very attractive. Now we will proceed to the wreath base. So to create the wreath base, I am taking this mount board piece. I have drawn 2 circles. The inner circle diameter is 14 centimeters and outer circle diameter is 24 centimeters. So now we have to cut this ring. For the outer circle I am using my scissor to cut this, and for the inner circle I have used the paper cutter. So now our ring is ready. Now I am taking one light green color paper and I will just wrap this ring using this light green craft paper. The craft paper is having 90 GSM thickness. In the same way, complete with the rest of the part. So our ring is ready and it will look like this from front side. Now I have created total 12 tight coils using 2 strips of 10 mm pink color. You can use any color, but it should be 10 mm. So it will give little height to our wreath. So I'm adding 6 coil on the inner diameter and 6 coils on the outer diameter. So it will raise little height to our wreath. Now I'm taking this 30 by 30 centimeters mount board piece and I am covering it using this pattern paper. This pattern paper is from Little Birdie. Like this, so our base is ready. Now I will connect my wreath base with the mount board base. So I'm just adding little glue with these tight coils and now I am connecting with the base. Like this. Here I have roughly arranged all my flowers and now I will start adding these flowers one by one using silicone glue. You can use normal liquid adhesive to connect these flowers, but silicone glue gives little height and little dimension when you add the flowers using this glue, but it's all up to you. So in the same way I am adding all the flowers. So it's done. Now I will show you how to connect leaves. So just adding little more glue and I will fill all the areas using these leaves, and also I will add the scrolls. So it's done. In the same way I will add these leaves with yellow one, this leaf with this white flower, this leaf here, the green one with rose, and the sap one with the peach flower. So after adding all the leaves, scrolls, my beautiful wreath is completed. Now just the last part, I'm showing you how to add these buds which we have created earlier. So you just need to add little glue and tuck these birds behind the flowers. In the same way I have added all the buds. Now here I am taking this beautiful butterfly die cut out and adding this butterfly in the center of the wreath. You can also add quilling butterfly in the center. But I thought already we have done lots of quilling. So just for a little difference I am adding this beautiful die cut out. Like this. So the beautiful floral quilling wreath is ready. You can just photo frame it using glass to protect it from dust, and I'm sure it will look very gorgeous on the wall. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.